back to another video. Today I am finally sharing my craft room / office space tour, so let's get into it. Here's the first part of my office space. On this wall I have my Happy Planner wall calendar hanging up, and then over here I have my Raskog cart from IKEA, and I'll go more in depth in a second. For the first tier of my planner cart, I have this little bucket on the side that holds some label paper, a hexagon punch, and my X-Acto knife. And then I have 2 boxes of stickers. These are the Happy Planner storage organizers for those stickers. And so I have all the newest ones I have, and then this kind of goes newest from back here to oldest. And then in the middle I have this little sticker storage book with all the journaling stickers that open. So that is the first tier. Now in the middle tier I have another box of stickers. These are mainly older ones, and then I have all of the little Happy Planner notebooks that I have in the middle. And then in this IKEA bucket I have all of the tiny sticker pads, all of these tiny sticker mini pads, I don't really know what they're called, but these things, and then I have my 4 mega books also in there. The last tier holds all of my old planners in this bucket that I got from IKEA. So I have all my mini planners, and then I have all my classic planners. Most of them are on expander discs because they're so large, but I don't normally get these out too often, so they just stay in the bucket. Next up is my cube. The cube and shelf are both from IKEA, and most of my larger furniture items in here are from IKEA just because I absolutely love IKEA. And on this shelf I have this organizer that I stole from my sister, so honestly it could be from Target or IKEA, but I keep my most used planners in here. I have my classic catch-all, and then I have a big Happy Notes and a big planner up here. Continuing on the shelf, I have this plant that I don't know where it's from. It's a little spider plant, but I stole that from around my house. And then I have this little homebody calendar. It's from the Happy Planner. On this part of the cube, I have all my discs in this large mason jar. I think they look so cute. I have another plant, and then I have this little pottery dish that I made. So I have that there. And then I have this frame with this card that says Choose Happy from the Happy Planner. And then I have this little whale that I stole from my downstairs bookshelf. So that is the top part. Now moving on to the storage part. Now on to the cubes. On this shelf I mainly have classic Happy Notes that I haven't used yet, and some classic planners that I am currently using. So going in order, I have these 2 accessory books from the Digital Detox line and the Foodie line. I then have my recipe planner here, and then I have some Happy Notes, and I have them facing the other way, so there's kind of double of what you see. And then I have my custom Happy Planner that I received. I have this planner that I'm going to start in July for memory keeping. And then I have this Happy Notes that I'm currently using for Gov and Econ class. I then have these little command hooks here that hold these accessory packs. So I just put them on the inside because it works out perfectly for that. And then I don't think you can see it from where you are, but I have an arc punch behind these planners right there. Moving on to the basket, I believe this basket is from IKEA, but I've had it since I was really little, so honestly they probably just have something similar. I don't know if they still have it. But inside of here I have a multitude of things. You can't really see from your angle. Hold up. Okay, now you can see better. So in this basket I have my current planners I'm using, but not ones that I reference a ton. So I have this skinny classic Happy Planner that I normally just use for fun, and I decorate it for fun. I have my classic social media planner. I have my classic wellness planner, and then I have my big memory planner that is about to end. And then behind those I have I'm storing some accessory things. So I have all of my Happy Planner covers, I have all of my, sorry, this is hard to do one-handed. I have all of my folders, and then I have all of my dividers. So that is what is in the basket. Most of this stuff I don't reference too often, maybe once a week, so it works perfectly being in a basket. Moving on to the bottom left cube, there's an assortment, or plethora, you might say, of Happy Planner things. I'm sorry, that was really cheesy. So there are a lot of things in this cube, so I'll kind of go over everything. I have my world history notes from a couple years ago. I have my AP Bio notes from this past year. I have an empty Big Happy Notes. I have my squad notebook. I have an Etsy shop notebook for my shop. I have a, it says marketing notes in it. I have an empty guided journal. I have a couple of guided journals that have some pages used in them. I have my social media notebook. I have some blank half sheet happy notes. I have some blank mini happy notes. And then I have a skinny mini planner and 2 micro notes. And in the back, you can't really see it, but I have my Happy Planner, let's see if I can get this out. I have my Happy Planner purses in a little basket behind there. So that is what is in that cube. Moving on to the last part of the cube. So I have all my Happy Planner accessories in here. I have sticky notes in this one, bookmarks, dashboards, and little spiral calendars. In this one, I have my half sheet paper, I have my classic paper, and some extra paper. And here I have more classic paper. It doesn't look organized, but it kind of goes from line paper to dot grid to blank. Then I have my big Happy Planner paper in here. And then there is another one of these back there, and it just has any extra pages from current planners. So future months in my catch-all, future months in my social media planner, stuff like that. And then right here, I have my We Are Memory Keepers paper trimmer. And while we're down here, this is my trash can. I got it from IKEA. Welcome to my desk. So my desk is from IKEA, duh. And then, I don't know if you can really see it, but behind here I keep all my poster boards, and I use these for all of my planner photos, and I got these at Hobby Lobby, but I bet you can find them at any craft store really. So I keep those back there. And then my desk chair is from Target years ago, and then I also have this little pillow that is also from Target. Over here, this is one of my favorite corners in my crafty space. I have this plant, I have this lamp, and then I have this little cup, and I stole this from my sister, so it might be from IKEA, it might be from Target, I'm not 100% sure, but it matches the little organizer that I also stole from my sister. So, thanks, Liv. I keep all of my pens in here that I reach for a lot, so I have my mild liners in here, I have my Muji pen, my Pilot G2 pen, and some Tombow brush markers. That is in there. And then here's my little cork board. I used to have inspiration things on it, but right now it is holding all of my favorite photos. So I basically took a bunch of photos from my camera roll and printed them out and arranged them on here and pinned them up. They're all photos that make me really happy. There's different travel ones. There's different ones of me when I was super happy, camping, traveling, I might have already said traveling, food, stuff like that. So this makes me really happy every time I look at it. In this first drawer, it's kind of a catch-all drawer. I have some notes and things I have to do. I have some more notes. I have this classic happy notes that I use a lot for any ideas. I bring them along with me when I travel and stuff like that. I have this little phone stand in there. I have this pencil case with all of my Micron pens for art, and then I have scissors and tweezers and little bone folder. Next up is my washi drawer. This is where I keep all of my washi tape. I have all of my skinny washi tape in this little organizer here. I think I got this at Target. And I have some Scotch tape, a hole punch. I have all my rulers. I have a T ruler, a little stencil, and then I have this 2-inch ruler. And then I have all of my non-Happy Planner stickers, or not stickers, sticky notes back there. The next one is cards. I really like making handmade cards and giving my friends snail mail. So I have all of my supplies for that. I have envelopes, I have some ink, stamps, stuff like that. This next one, it is my pens. So I have this pencil case with all of my extra, I have some like Sharpies, some mileliners I haven't used, different pens I haven't used in this pencil case. I have my Posca paint pen for art. And then I have this container here. I probably got it at Target. It has all of my Tombow brush markers, all of my Stabilo pens, and then I also have some Stabilo markers, so when I need those, I can take those out. And then I have two Happy Planner pencil cases. In here, I just have some of this Nina white cardstock paper for my Etsy shop. I make cards. And then is my junk drawer. It has all of my cords, random stuff, pins, I don't know, it's kind of a mess. But that is the last one. That completes my office space tour. I hope you enjoyed it. I had fun making it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and check out the links below where you can find me on Instagram, Pinterest, all that jazz. So thank you so much for watching. Bye!